elimination match of our playoff tournament. We're going to start their blue alliance side of the field where all of our robots have scored. And Team 316 goes back for more. On our red alliance side of the field, it looks like we have matched that scoring as well as the Spartans. Go back and grab a second cube. As our drivers step forward to take those controls, we're going to see two of our red alliance robots going back towards their feeder station looking for cones. We're going to see 9094, that's the Earthquakers, and Team 4467 who fly back across the field with that cone inside of their manipulator. On the blue side of the field, we see Team 8085, that's Mojo, placing that cone on the high node of that co-operator. Their partner, Team 16, looking to place a cone directly next to it. Looks like it's middle of field, Team 365, slowly moving, looking to actually replacing defenses. Team 4467 of our Red Alliance works to place that cone onto that high node, and they do. Our Red Alliance is only one game piece away from completing that entire high row, as is our Blue Alliance. With just over 75 seconds left to play, it's still a anybody's match. You see 8085, that's Mojo, places that cone on that top node as Team 316 the Lunatex looking to grab that cube and complete that top row, and they do. As on the red side of the field, it's 16834, that's the Spartax, dropping that cube into the hybrid node on the bottom row of our grid. As a reminder, both cones and cubes can be placed in the hybrid node. As we're now seeing our Blue Alliance start to fill up that hybrid node as well. With just over 40 seconds left to play, we're going to start seeing our alliances gear up for endgame. As Team 834 on the red side of the field places that cube on the middle level of the red alliance grid. That whistle means we're going to start seeing those robots landing onto those charge stations. On red, we already have all three of our robots lined up and scaling. While on the blue side, it looks like we have Team 365 parts inside of that charge, inside of their community, which will give them points at the end of the match. While we see our Blue Alliance starting to balance with just 8 seconds left, our Red Alliance loses one member of that alliance on that charge station, and they balance it out to the Blue Alliance with 1 second left. It looks like they are docked but not engaged. We'll see how that impacts the scores of this match.